Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, give it a like, and also hit the notification bell so you don't have to miss any more of my exciting videos. It's all about Elf. So Elf has recently come out with the latest collection of theirs, and I was so attracted to it because literally, guys, we have been showered by paradise. And what I mean by paradise is this beauty right here. It is stunning, you guys. Like, just check out this beauty. So I'm literally in love because, as you can see, this looks so good, and we have been blessed by these beautiful bright colors. You got some mattes, you got some shimmers, and you got some stunning, you know, lighter shades as well as darker shades. So you get a little bit of browns, oranges, green even, and also a little bit of purple. I'm thinking this is going to be a really interesting video. So please stay tuned and keep on watching because I have a little bit more of goodies to show you guys throughout the video. So do not miss out. And let's get to it. As you guys know, I usually start off by applying a little bit of concealer on top of my eyelids to prime them and then set them with an eyeshadow, which I'm excited to try. I have an Elf concealer, but I mistakenly bought a little bit of a darkish shade, which I'm not really keen on, so I tend to mix it with another concealer that's a little bit lighter, so it kind of evens out the skin tone. But today I'll just be using the Maybelline instead. So I usually use the Maybelline Fit Me. This one is in a shade 05. And I'm just going to apply it on my lids. You know the deal, because that is my usual thing to do. And then I'm just going to pat it into my skin. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like this video is going to actually turn out quite well because I've had some problems with my lights, and I recently got a new light, and I think it's been literally a life changer. Like, can you tell the difference? Can you tell? Because it looks really good. I feel like it looks so much better, so much high definition. It's beyond ridiculous. So I'm really excited now, guys, because I'm actually sharing the content that I always wanted to share. I mean, it took some blood, sweat and tears into this, but I'm finally here and it's all good. So you guys let me know if you prefer this video and prefer this light, because I am living for this light right now, and I'm about to do a video, if you want the whole rundown of what my setup used to be and what it is now, and what is the changes in lights and camera and all kinds of stuff. I'm your gal. Like, well, as you know, I like to prime this way, so obviously I'm going to now go ahead and set it with some sort of either translucent powder or a neutral shadow. But since we have a very nice eyeshadow palette here, I'm a shade Canvas, and that's going to give me hopefully a nice base. So I'm just going to dab it in, and oh my god, very nice so far, very smooth. I was thinking, guys, that maybe today I could possibly show you two looks just to make most of the eyeshadow and show you most of these beautiful shades rather than just going with one look. So I am thinking to show you two different sides. I think it will be quite fun. I actually haven't done a video like that before where I did two different sides, so why not? So the reason why you need to set your eyelid is very important for your next shadow to lay on smoothly and actually shows up brighter. It's never a good idea to just go straight ahead with just an eyeshadow directly onto your bare eyelid, because that might not perform the same, and also it might not last. So the priming of the eye, what I'm doing right now, is very useful because it will actually make the eyeshadow last all day, and it will prevent it from creasing and also from any oils getting through, which you have natural daily oil coming through your skin anyway. I'm so super excited about actually trying these shades. Like, they were drawn to me. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just love bright colors. And when it comes to greens, you guys, you need to know I'm obsessed with greens. Greens is my all, and especially like neon greens and stuff, like in clothes or anything. It's my obsession. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the shade here, which is called Waggle. I'm going to use that as my first layer. So I'm just going to dab this in and sort of buff it into the crease very gently. I am shocked, like it blends really well. As you can see, I don't have to do much and it's pigmented. I absolutely love this color right now. I'm now going to go in with the shade called Spice. It's like a reddish, kind of reddish color. I'm just going to be dabbing that just on the outer edge of the corner of my eyelid. Just focusing it for this corner here and then pulling it across just above my eyelid. It works really well with this blending brush that I have. It's like a little fluffy blender brush. This one is by Smashbox. I've had this for ages. It's a limited edition, but I think you can get the same brush with a different design. I'm just going to clean up a little bit and create a little cut crease. So I'm just going to clean up the front bit with my flat Kiko brush. And slightly above my natural crease. I'm just going to quickly set it with the same shade Canvas. Just to prime it for the next eyeshadow that I'm going to be putting on. Next I'll be using the Paradiso. Ooh, it's a beautiful shade. Kinda like it. Wow, there it is, there it is. Oh my god, what a stunner. I'm not sure if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but it doesn't actually apply the same color that is actually showing up on the palette. So the way the palette shows, it shows the shade a little slightly pinkier, but when you apply it, it's more of a gold. As you can see, it's pretty much very goldy iridescent color, but it's still stunning, so can't complain. I'm just going to reapply a little bit of the Spice just to intensify and melt everything together, of course. Marry them together. I'm going to move on to the next eye. I'm really drawn to the purple because I haven't actually done purple before, and I feel like that's the one that's calling to me. So let's do a little bit of purple. I mean, it's not purple, it's kind of like a light violet, the Tropicana. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing on this side. Wow, amazing. Like really gentle, very pretty. Love the pigment. Pigment is really gentle, easy blendable. Loving it. So I'm bringing it quite high up, almost to my brows, like I did here. And I don't know, guys, what do you think? It's a really pretty color. It's all about building the shadow and swiping it across. I'm so impressed with these shadows. How beautiful, especially this one. I love that. I mean, this is just epic. I'm now going to go ahead and use sea salt. Oh, there it is. Such beauty. It looks stunning. That is gorgeous, my friends. Like, how beautiful is this shade? I also bought this little guy, a liquid glitter eyeshadow. I'm kind of curious whether the sea salt is very similar to this eyeshadow. The glitter. There is a slight difference because the glitter is more glittery, whereas the eyeshadow is actually more intense in color, so it's more white rather than this. This is more, it's like a gel with a lot of iridescent glitter, so that's the only difference between them two. I will now apply the glitter on top of this eye here, just to intensify it and just for you guys to see how it would look. They look hand in hand, gorgeous together. So beautiful. Loving, loving, loving living for this right now. I'm just going to finish the rest of my face with my brows and everything, and I'll come back to you because I have a lot more exciting things to show you guys. Now that I've finished the makeup, I am now going into the highlighter. It's like the magical highlight. I am so obsessed. Like, look at this packaging. The shimmer is amazing, guys. Like, I'm so obsessed. This is a multi-dimensional face and body shimmer. So I'm going to apply this along my cheeks and probably everywhere. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And I'm just gonna apply this right here. Wow, look at that. That is gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Just one swipe and there's literally like glitter covering me right now. And I was just like, through that one swipe. Very nice, pigmented, and OMG, absolutely stunning. I am in love with this highlighter. It's definitely going to be my favorite highlighter right now. And then I also picked up a lip gloss. This one's called Tropical Fruit Punch. So here we are. I just lined my lips with the Kiko Fusion lip liner. I always do that because I like to see my lips a little bit more plumptious. And OMG, like, how stunning is this? It's beautiful. It's so fruity. It really smells like fruit punch. And it comes as see-through, although it's kind of like with a little bit of orangey kind of tint. And they have so many different colors. And I picked this one because I was more drawn to that. Because I have loads of different types of colors. But this, oh my god. How beautiful is this? Oh, I love it. I'm loving these products for life. They are amazing, guys. If you haven't tried them already, you need to. This eyeshadow palette, very nice. It's got very nice blendability, buildable, and it's just like a touch of color in a nice soft way. So I really love that. I am going to give you a few more swatches now of this palette because it's absolutely stunning and there is so many shades that I haven't used yet, but I will be doing another look probably from this palette again because I do want to use more of these colors. I'm going to swatch some that I haven't used today, and I'm going to go into the more shimmery. So I like the Sip Sip. These are absolutely stunning. It's all the shimmers that I really like from there. Like, I cannot wait to use these on different looks. You literally get 18 eyeshadows in this and it's something incredible. Like, you have all the colors you need this summer. And also obsessed with this highlight. This is going to be my new highlighter. Like, look at this. This is going to be my new highlight. And this is going to be my favorite gloss. Like, I love this gloss. It feels so smooth, non-sticky, smells like fruit punch, and looks good with a tint of little bit of like an orangey tint, very light. And yeah, it's kind of a nude and it's still kind of shimmery. Really love these products. This was also very lovely. I really love that. It did crease a little bit afterwards when I applied it, and I think it's because I applied it on top of the eyeshadow that I already had. So I quickly just went back with the sea salt eyeshadow again on top just to stop it from creasing. I don't know which one you prefer, guys, but I love them both. Like, they're so stunning, they're so subtle and sultry, so beautiful to wear like any occasion. This does not need too much blending, so it's very easy to use, stunning, affordable. Like, I can't complain. So this is a win-win situation. In general, I think Elf cosmetics are really good, really affordable, and I think anybody should try. Like, this is not a sponsored video, this is just my opinion, but literally nobody pays me to do this. This is just me giving you my advice, my opinion, and also just showing you, you know, giving you a heads up before you go ahead and get those things. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.